Hello everyone, let's talk about AMC stock today. Where is AMC stock heading to? For the past few months, AMC stock have bottomed at low key levels of $4 and $5 due to short interest of 22.02% because short sellers have nothing better to do but continue to short AMC stock, according to Fintel reports. The sad truth is more than half of AMC orders have been moved to dark pools constantly to support the high demand of retail investors and keep the squeeze away from you. It's true that share price have been declining and stayed at around $4 and $5 for a while, but the entire stock market, including cryptocurrency, everything crashed, so don't be fooled that AMC is doing bad as a company. However, this is the time to follow Warren Buffett advice: buy low and sell high later. These low share prices also can indicate a bounce back because what goes down must go up, right? This is not the first time that AMC stock has gone down this low and trading sideways, but it will go up eventually, as we have seen it many times already. The only thing that is going to keep AMC stock from going up is the higher trading volume. And even the AMC is being traded off exchange, the shares will still rise when there is a consistent higher trading volume. So far, trading volume is rising gradually despite the ongoing shorting of the stock. Currently, AMC has been running up more than 28% in the first 2 weeks of the new year. So what does this tell you? This means new retail investors are buying the stock this January, and existing apes keep holding and buying more new shares. Let us sink in for a minute. In order for AMC's share price to go up, the stock must break above the current price of $5.15 level at the time of recording this video and continue uptrend and beyond, and the resistance level can be seen on this chart. AMC is trying to break above $5.14 after hours, which is really huge. Having large volume of trading is not just enough to force short squeeze on AMC, because we have seen this before where there was a huge volume happened but the share price did not go up at all. And this is because 50% of the trades are happening off exchange trading, or you can call it in the dark pools. Therefore, all the trades happening don't factor in the share price you see. So there is only downtrend of AMC, and this prevents short squeeze from happening all the time. The goal of AMC Entertainment and retail investors is that we want to see the market cap grow, the debt should come down, the revenue should increase, and there is more money to make, and AMC Entertainment can use the revenue and profits to fund ongoing new movie projects or buy more other movie theaters to expand and make AMC Entertainment Company a more diverse. If you really enjoyed this video and you are a true AMC fan, investor, real ape, please take the time to leave me a comment below this video and let me know what you think, and if you have any thoughts or other comments or ideas on how to make the next video better, let me know. And I would appreciate if you take the minute to like and subscribe this video and share with your friends and family to have YouTube able to show this video to more people. I really appreciate it.